Hey everyone! Real estate investing doesn't have to mean buying big properties. Micro real estate, or investing in small-scale properties, is a smart way to get into the real estate market with less upfront capital. Today, I'll walk you through what micro real estate is and how you can start earning big returns with smaller investments. First, let's talk about fractional ownership platforms like Fundrise and Right Homes. These platforms let you invest in pieces of properties, so instead of buying an entire building, you can own a small share. This way, you get exposure to real estate returns without needing tons of cash up front. Another option is micro apartments. These are often smaller studio-sized units, which are popular in dense, high-demand areas. Renting out micro apartments or listing them on sites like Airbnb can generate a steady income, and they often have lower costs than larger units. Finally, there's tiny home investments. These affordable homes are trendy and ideal for vacation rentals. Some platforms even allow you to invest in tiny home communities. So, with low entry costs and high occupancy rates, tiny homes could be a great source of passive income. So, whether it's fractional ownership, micro apartments, or tiny homes, there's real potential in small properties. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and remember to subscribe for more tips on building wealth.